The first question asks what a blood potassium concentration will be in milligrams percent. We're given a reading of 156 milligrams per liter, and we know that we get milligrams percent by taking milligrams per milliliter and multiplying by 100 to get the percent. So if we're aware that 1 liter is going to be 1,000 milliliters, we can just make that change. Divide it all the way through. And then multiply by 100 to get the milligrams percent. Next question says the blood potassium level should not exceed a concentration of this ratio strength 1 to 5,000. Does the reading above exceed this concentration? So we could go either way with this. We could turn this into a ratio strength and compare it to 1 to 5,000. But let's go ahead and change the ratio to milligrams percent. So 1 to 5,000 is 1 gram of, this would be potassium, over 5,000 milliliters of blood. Okay, and then to get milligrams percent, we want the grams to be in milligrams, and then we can divide that by milliliters and times by 100. So once again, if we're aware that 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams, we can just make that change. Put 5,000 milliliters on the bottom, divide it all the way through, so it's 1 milligram per 5 milliliters, and then that's going to equal 0.2 milligrams per milliliter, and we can just multiply that by 100 to get the milligrams percent. So that's 20 milligrams percent. So the blood potassium level should not exceed 20 milligrams percent. Since the reading was 15.6 milligrams percent, that's less than 20 milligrams percent. And so does the reading above exceed this concentration? No.